Why do humans and cats bond the way they do? Across cultures, centuries, and continents, cats have quietly woven themselves into human lives. They don't obey like dogs. They don't need us the way we think pets should. And yet, millions of people around the world feel deeply, emotionally connected to them. So what is it about cats that gets under our skin and into our hearts? The bond between humans and cats didn't begin with affection. It began with survival. Around 10,000 years ago, humans started farming. Farming meant grain, grain meant rodents. And rodents attracted wild cats. Unlike dogs, cats weren't domesticated through force or command. They chose us. The boldest, calmest wildcats stayed close to human settlements. They hunted pests, they protected food supplies. And in return, humans tolerated them, then fed them, then sheltered them. This quiet partnership slowly shaped both species. Cats that were less aggressive thrived. Humans who welcomed them prospered. Even today, that ancient agreement lingers in our subconscious. When a cat curls up in our home, something old and familiar clicks into place. Part of our bond with cats comes down to biology, specifically cuteness. Humans are hardwired to respond to juvenile features: large eyes, round faces, small noses. These traits trigger nurturing instincts designed to help us care for infants. Cats, especially kittens, activate this response effortlessly. But even adult cats retain many of these features. When we look at a cat, our brains react before logic has a chance to intervene. We feel protective, we feel calm, we feel connected. It's not weakness. It's evolution doing exactly what it was designed to do. Something remarkable happens when we interact with cats. Our brains release oxytocin, often called the love hormone. It's the same chemical involved in bonding between parents and children, and between romantic partners. Petting a cat, making eye contact, sharing quiet moments. All of these actions increase oxytocin levels, while lowering cortisol, the stress hormone. That's why spending time with a cat can feel grounding. Why anxiety softens. Why silence feels comforting instead of awkward. The bond isn't imaginary, it's chemical. Cats offer something rare in modern life: non-judgmental companionship. They don't ask questions, they don't interrupt. They don't demand explanations. For people experiencing loneliness, stress, grief, or emotional overload, cats provide quiet presence. A warm body nearby, a steady rhythm of breathing. A reminder that you're not alone. Studies have shown that, in some contexts, the psychological comfort of a cat can rival that of a human partner. Not because cats replace people, but because they meet us exactly where we are. One of the most mysterious aspects of cats is their purr. Cats purr at frequencies between 25 and 150 Hz, a range known to promote relaxation and healing. These vibrations have been linked to reduced stress, lower blood pressure, improved bone density, and even tissue repair. In other words, a cat curled up and purring beside you may actually be helping your body heal. Cats purr when they're content, but they also purr when injured or stressed, possibly as a form of self-soothing. When they share that purr with us, the benefit goes both ways. Cats don't give affection freely, and that's exactly why it matters so much. When a cat chooses to sit beside you, when they follow you from room to room, when they trust you enough to sleep nearby, it feels earned. Cats are independent, selective, unpredictable. Their affection isn't automatic, it's personal. That sense of being chosen triggers a powerful emotional response in humans. It reinforces feelings of trust, validation, and connection. In a world where attention is constantly demanded, a cat gives it only when it truly means something. Cats fit seamlessly into modern life. They're self-sufficient, they groom themselves. They don't require constant stimulation. For busy individuals, creatives, introverts, or those who value solitude, cats offer companionship without pressure. They share space rather than consume it. A cat doesn't overwhelm your life, they simply exist within it. And sometimes, that's exactly what we need. The bond between humans and cats isn't accidental. It's ancient, chemical, psychological. Cats walked into our world thousands of years ago and never truly left. They offer comfort without conditions, affection without obligation, presence without noise. In choosing us, they taught us something quietly profound. Sometimes, the deepest bonds aren't built on control but on mutual trust, respect, and silence. Thanks for watching. If you feel that special connection with cats, let us know in the comments and subscribe for more.